Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallows bigger in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe plate or bowl. Arrange about 3 to 5 marshmallows on it, making sure they have plenty of space and aren't touching each other. This separation is key for even expansion. Also, have a small bowl of cold water ready nearby. It will be important for the next step. This simple setup ensures a successful and fun marshmallow transformation. Now, place your plate of marshmallows into the microwave. Heat them on high power for a short burst, typically between 10 and 15 seconds. It's crucial to watch them continuously during this time. You'll see them puff up dramatically, sometimes growing to several times their original size. As soon as they reach the desired giant size, stop the microwave immediately to prevent them from burning or deflating. Once your marshmallows are perfectly puffed, carefully remove the hot plate from the microwave. To set their new, larger size and prevent them from shrinking too much, quickly dip each marshmallow into the bowl of cold water you prepared earlier. This brief dip helps stabilize their structure. Now, your giant, fluffy marshmallows are ready to enjoy. They're fantastic on their own or added to hot chocolate. Here are a few extra tips for your marshmallow adventures. Be careful not to over-microwave them, as they can quickly burn or deflate if left in too long. Also, try experimenting with different initial marshmallow sizes to see how they expand. Smaller ones can become surprisingly large. For more fun, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home and bring your space to life with music and smart features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.